hitter right here. That subscribe button. We got all kinds of special games right here. I got my GoPro going. I hope it don't bother you. I do all my transactions. It's over $100 on, because I do Facebook and YouTube.
It was my mom's collection I've had since I was a kid. So.
Yeah, that was pretty interesting. Check it out. You said there's 22 games?
There's a couple doubles. Like, I don't know, whatever was in the picture, 23. There's doubles of this one.
We got Spyro. Pac-Man.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Got the Super Mario Bros.
I had Mario 3, but my stepmom snagged it before she gave my stuff back.
Yeah, I got that one at the house somewhere. We got Gunsmoke. Okay. Legacy of the Lizard. Oh. We got two of these right here. We got Tetris, Bowl, we got Gargoyle, we got Mickey Mouse. I used to play this game when I was a little kid, the bass. Right. Some of these just bring back my childhood memories. Oh, we got more Mario. What's this one?
Mortal Kombat or something?
Oh, that's an interesting one. I've never even heard of.
Yeah, I thought it was
Dr. Mario. Jeopardy. Oh, can't argue that one. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 40, 60, 80, 200. You can reach in and double check. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate you. Yep. Here's my latest Nintendo haul. We got a hitter right here. Hit that subscribe button. We got all kinds of special games right here. Hit that subscribe button. We got Gunsmoke. We got 2 copies of this one. We got Battletoads. Keep that in my collection. We got Chip and Dale. We got the Pac-Man. We got Mario. We'll sell that on Amazon probably. We got Mario 2. I already got a copy of this, so we'll sell that on Amazon. Or the swap meet. So we got that Black Bass. I remember that when I was a kid. I'm probably gonna keep that for my collection. Oh, we got another banger. We got this in my collection, so we'll sell this on Amazon. We got another one we'll be selling on Amazon. It's going for a bunch of money. Dr. Mario. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Because we're built to win over here. Let's go. Yeah. Selling that at the swap meet. Yes. And then we got whichever one this one is. This is looks like a banger. Probably keep that for the collection. We got the gray gun in here, which is special. We're keeping that. And then we got extra controllers and a Nintendo. Plus we got another one of Mario Bros. Oh, and Duck Hunt. I might want to keep that for my personal. I forget if I have one of those, but we'll keep it in case. Oh, baseball. We'll sell that. Jeopardy. We'll be selling that. Golf. We'll be selling that. This one's a special one. Keep that for the collection. I'll be selling this one. Here's another copy of that one. Oh, the Tetris. We'll be selling that on Amazon. We'll be getting a bunch of money. Oh, look at this. We got another Mario Bros. Duck Hunt. Yeah, we'll keep that with the case. Let's go. Hit that subscribe button. We got winners after winners. Oh, we got one last one. We got Spy vs. Spy. Hit that subscribe button.